Tired of cluttered cabinets? Do you feel like your kitchen is a never-ending battle against chaos? Well, get ready for a transformation. Meet the ORDORA 8-tier pot and pan organizer, a revolutionary game-changer that's here to save the day. Imagine opening your cabinet to find all your cookware perfectly organized and within easy reach. That's not a dream, it's reality with this adjustable powerhouse, which holds everything from saucepans to stockpots. What makes it cool? It's like a chameleon for your kitchen. Got deep cabinets? Use it vertically on both sides. Working with narrow spaces? Go vertical on one side. Need a countertop buddy? Slide it in horizontally. Its unique stability keeps even the heaviest pots in place, so you can finally say goodbye to that awkward clattering stack of pans. Rubber-coated dividers add an extra layer of grip, ensuring items stay exactly where you put them. Ready for the kitchen upgrade you've been dreaming of? Click the link in the description to grab your ORDORA organizer today and transform your cooking space into an organized oasis. Don't miss out, your stress-free kitchen awaits.